Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Hello. How are you? Tired? Me too. So, you all see my screen. Hope so. So, my name is Emma. I know it's a wrong spelling. I had to, because there was no domain of Vodif, so I had to get this Vodif. So, since January, I decided to be like that person, say Vodif. And then I'm a builder, I'm a software engineer, been doing 15 years of iOS development. But I'm a co-founder of AI native agency that's called Advice. We're doing marketing and advertisement in Toronto. But the question was, we are offering different services. It doesn't matter what it is for this context. But I just said, what if we can do more? We can offer a solution, but not as a SaaS solution. Something automated, help our customer, but not give them like AI tool. Just give them a way that they can play with whatever that we are having in our place. And then we always have the human in loop to do what we want to do, because we want to give them content services, lead services, offer services to do whatever they want. So I built since January all of these tools, and it's all working with our customers, like real people. And I'm a software developer, like iOS developer, but I built everything, A to Z of everything that you just saw. I can go in and show you like how I built a marketing calendar that is fascinating. It's a real production thing. I can show you like I did my own meeting whisper. And yeah, a lot of things. That's how I earned 3 billion tokens. Past 30 days only. Using Codex, I use a lot of different tools, LLMs, models, whatever. But this is just one of them. So, get back to me. What if we can build whatever we want? We have the tool. We can, like I've been spending like 10, 12 hours per day on these. Like ADHD is a thing, and switching context was issue as a developer. But if you go one step back and not be a developer, or be a developer but not go too much in micromanaging your AI agents, we can do something. So, 15 years of being engineer, couple of failures, obviously. I had one exit, and then I have a company here with my brother and 2 other co-founders, but that's it. So 4 people, a lot of AI agents running a lot of things at the same time. This is my learning, as Dominic said, other people, like how we can work with different agents. You must have all this, in my opinion. You must have different skills, different agents, which we'll talk, have a handoff, as one of the people said, have an architecture file, test folder, plans folder, deploy agents, and environments. So I gave all of my agents full access. I don't care. Run it on a separated, safe environment. So do whatever you want. I have different machines at the office, GPUs. I really hope one of my GPUs not burn. Because I gave my brother, he's an artist guy, an MCP and a skill to cook 3D objects using Blender by using Codex. So Codex used the MCP and the skill to make 3D objects. Yeah. So I see agents as like a creature that they should have skills to work with whatever they want. And they should have a workflows, which we call it agents, not more than 100 lines, because it gets messy, to follow structures, and then hand it off to the next agents, if it's Codex or any other solutions out there, to work with that. You should have a reference of architecture of your project. You should always have a test folder to run, build, and do all the tests. So whatever we were talking, I was just building it without knowing that there is a skill out there or MCPs out there. I just asked you to use that whatever browser to do the testing for me. Take a screenshot, and it was like just coming. Plans. I hate the feature of the plan in any of these tools, but I ask the model to generate a plan, save it, and then step by step in each phase, update the status because my context gets filled, and then next context doesn't know shit about the thing that we were talking, but when they refer to the plan and see the status, they don't need to go context switching and understand they know where they are. Do like multi-agent, sub-agent is out there, and then deploy it. I gave the Codex access to my VPS server, root access, to update one of the software there, but it was a test VPS, so it was not production, but it worked. Like, upgraded it, make it backup, downloaded it in my machine, like, have different environment, pass through all the credentials in the environment, and all good. Gates, have different gates. As I said, those things, I'm gonna show you what it means. So this is the template of my agent that has different gates. Gate 1, plan first, find the related skill. I hate to tag the skill. Like, I don't know, I have many skills on my machine because I build the skill based on whatever I do. You can reach out at the end to the LinkedIn and I'll share it with you. And I'm recording, so you can get the video as well. Check the architecture, build and run, do whatever you want as an agent. Make a test and do the smoke test, integration test, like UI test, take a screenshot, come back, make a video, come back, and you learn how to optimize it. And then secrets, make sure you're not pushing any secret to any repositories, deploy it, post-deploy verification, documentation, Git approval, non-negotiable. So this is just one template which I just gathered from my Codex app before our session because Aurel told me to just put something and then I have already something. So I just asked, based on all my thread in Codex, create a list of gates that I need to have in the agents and make a template for agents, make sure we have plan. My slide content is this, and that was the result. So I use different IDs, you can use any IDs. These are like template of what the skills that you can have or what are the plans, what is the date of that plan being executed. Like all this is easy, you can just find out the tempo and make your own way. But if you like to have skill sets, you can always go with whatever Codex offer. But if you can't find it, there are many different repositories that they gather all the skills from different large companies that they are offering skills, and then grab those or make your own, because it's not a very hard thing, because if you read this agent, it's a human language. You can just make your own skill or agents, all of it. So go build, solve problems, because we are all problem solvers.